Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to play YouTube in background in Galaxy A05 device. So guys, in this video, I'm going to use third-party application from a Play Store. All you guys have to just go to Play Store and then search for the application named Black Screen. So this is the application, by the way. Install this application. Okay, after installing, just click to open and then select the clock style first. I'm selecting this bold one. Now select floating log style. I guess this one is okay. We can also set floating log size, but just leave it right now. After that, click to start. Allow the permission first and then go back again. Now click to start. So as you see, this is a floating log setting, and all you guys have to do just now go to YouTube and then search for any video. By the way, I am searching my video. Now open the video and just let me just go to settings and then go to search bar so that your keyboard will be appear. Okay guys, now all I have to do just I am going to play the video and then click to this icon. Now all you guys have to do is just click on this icon and scroll so that we have option of setting here. Just click to settings. After that go to input. Now in input just scroll it down. So this is how we can play video in background in Galaxy A05 device through this application. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.